Father. Oh, hi there. My name is Gruffy. I'm a abominable snowman. And I have to ask you something.
Oh, hey everybody. It's me, Frank, Tompkington. Okay, my friend, Abominable Snowman, he's missing. I don't know where he went. He was calling me before, but I gotta go look for him. Oh, never mind. It's right there.
Yeah. I'm gonna see what's inside here. There's a cave behind you.
Oh, wow. Behind that giant bashful mama? Yes.
You wanna come inside?
Yeah, come on. Nice cave. What do you have in here, huh? Oh, a Barbie car, Zelda's boyfriend. Oh, wait, what? Whatever, boyfriend.
That's not. Okay.
You gotta get hit with a ball now.
Oh, you can play with this one. Let's go down. Oh.
Now I gotta hit you again.
You know I have a secret friend in here, too?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go get him right now. You stay here. Pause it.
Oh, nice friend, King of the Caves. What's his name?
His name's
what's his name?
His name's called King of the Caves. You just
King the King?
King of the Caves.
King of the Caves. Let me tell you something. Messed up you didn't see the ball. That's good, because it does not look right.
Okay. Hey, so here, King of the Caves. Master.
Hello.
Tell him
I want to go for a ride.
tell him stuff about the cave and stuff. So I'm gonna go sit down and listen to hip hop. So
Candy, right?
Huh? Candy what?
I forgot.
No, my name is called King of the Caves.
Oh. Wait. Oh, okay.
If you want to join us, you have to call me Master too. So you want to join us, just call me Master.
Oh, nah.
You don't want to?
In a little bit, because we still have a while.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you that something cool.
What?
In this cave, we have an airplane as well.
Oh.
You want to see it? It got a little fixed up.
That kind of looks like the one off of Madagascar, but blue.
Oh no, I have to be the pilot. I see it right here.
Or Star Labs. Flash.
Gosh. Okay, hey, stop listening to hip hop and come in. That's okay if you flip.
Oh, it feels so good. Sorry, dude.
Sorry, it's okay, man.
Wait, why did you say sorry?
I accidentally said it. No, dude. So we're gonna be right back, man.
Guys, I got some bad news.
What?
Our old friend from a while back, Patrick.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he joined the crew. Oh, hi.
Yeah, guys. I think we have a new crew member because he's inside this ball.
Yeah, I lost my friend SpongeBob in the multiverse of with Doodle Bob. Yeah, we lost. We lost Doodle Bob.
Yo, guys, I think we have a new member of the family. He's inside the ball.
Oh, I gotta ask you something.
What?
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No.
Damn it!
Well, you could squeak it if you put your hand in it.
Squeeze, squeeze. Let me do the D's. No
Ditto!
spats.
Ditto back!
Oh. You hit my nay-nay.
Stop making jokes. Gosh, I'm gonna slap you too.
Watch me whip, whip. Now watch me beatbox.
Hey, don't mess with the Ditto from Pokemon.
Okay, Patrick.
I'll slap you too.
Okay then.
I slap hard.
That's what she said. Damn.
I'll mess with you again. I'm gonna come to my ball.
It's the hard knock life for us.
Suck my butt.
Whoa. Wordplay. Wait, I said
Whoa.
it first, then you said it, so that's my fault. I'm a hypocrite.
Now
Sorry.
we're gonna go sleep. Suck my butt.
Hey guys, what are we doing? I don't know.
He's saying, this guy is saying, suck my butt.
What did I say?
The Pokeball is saying, suck my butt. I don't know why.
Okay, Pokeball, you can't speak. Don't try it. It's just your thing is getting incapable to hold you. So,
Stop it now, sleep.
Is that a pig?
I'm Dido. Now, suck your butt before I slap you.
Oh, that did not just happen.
Patrick,
What?
what happened to Doodle Bob? We lost him.
I don't know. You
Ugh.
went there with him?
I thought we had him, but you just wanted to run
No,
off.
no, no, no. I was stuck in there, but I found a way out. And then you didn't follow me. I was calling you guys, but
You're also going slow because your pants are falling down. You don't want your crack to show.
Huh? Stop! Just stop, guys! Why are you guys fighting?
Why? Who are you?
I'm his friends now. Like, we're in a new game.
Oh.
Yeah, hey SpongeBob, hey, Patrick. Wait, I was already with you, Patrick, never mind. Yeah, we're all friends now.
Yeah.
Oh, not me, though, because I just know your names now.
Oh, yeah, by the way, my name is Tigress.
My name's Doodle Bob. No. My name is Gruffy.
You might want to be careful, guys, sometimes, because Doodle Bob can explore into you. He can doodle another you, make it look like you're the bad guy.
Hey, and we got one more crew member. He's inside this ball. He's sleeping.
It's Doodle Bob in a ball. Ah!
Yeah, boy! He's here.
Oh, by the way, guys, hold on. Here's a voice message from, Donald Duck. He's saying where Doodle Bob is.
To be continued.
Yeah, that was where I was, really.
To be continued.